Alright guys, bad news. So we are here outside of Universal Studios and we were about to get on the train to take us to downtown to Hollywood, and someone hit Jarrell's car. Literally was backing out of the space. Actually, that's the truck right there. Was backing out and didn't look behind them, and this is what happened. So now we have to call insurance companies. Luckily, it wasn't Jarrell's fault, but have you ever gotten backed into and it wasn't your fault? This is what you do. You call insurance companies. Luckily, it's all gonna work out. Anyway, send us good vibes, guys.